Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from Capital One to Chime. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So to walk you around the process on how you can simply send money from Capital One to Chime. So the first thing to do is to access your Capital One account using the Capital One mobile website, or using the Capital One website or the mobile app. Then from there, so tap on if you're on the website, click on the account you wish to transfer from, then select transfer or transfer money. Then if you're on the mobile app, just tap on the desired account, then tap on transfer or transfer money. Then after that, if you haven't linked your Chime account yet, select add external account, then enter your Chime routine and account number. Then this can be found in the Chime app under the settings, then click on account info in your Chime app. Then follow any verification steps required by the Capital One to verify your external account. Then after that, once your Chime account is linked, choose your Chime account as the destination and enter the amount you wish to transfer. Then confirm the transfer details and submit. And that's how you can simply send money from Capital One to Chime. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and follow for more.